friends, my name is Tabith. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and I'm so excited to share with you some changes that have been happening in my life. But let me not get distracted. Today I'm sharing with you 5 ways to improve your home environment just like that without spending any money, and also changes that you can make today. Right? So before we get into the video, I would love for you to subscribe. If you are watching this video and you're not yet part of the family, do consider subscribing, and then head on over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram. My handle will be right here on the screen, and also hit the little bell so that you get a notification. I recently moved into a new place. As you guys can tell, this is different from where we were staying for the past couple of years. We moved, and so we will be tackling a remodel, and so you do not want to miss any of the changes that are going to be happening in this space. I'll do a home tour with you, and then I will also tackle each room and give you some tips on things that you can also do to make your home look and feel good. But today, because we just moved and these are things that I just felt like, oh my gosh, what do I need to do? I thought, you know what, why not share with you so that we can go through the journey together. So let's get into the video. When I first found out that we're going to be moving, I literally went, oh my gosh, I had done so much and invested so much into our previous home. I felt a little bit down, but I prayed about it and I asked God to show me a better way. And God told me that there is no failure and that every moment is a death and birth situation. So I can celebrate what I did in the past home, and then I can literally birth something new during this process. And so I thought, you know what, it's a great opportunity for me to share with you what I'm going through internally and externally. And so this is what we're going to be doing. Welcome to all the people that I knew, and the guys that have been part of the family for a while. Thank you so much for following along, and I'm so glad you guys have been staying in touch through messages and on Instagram, all those kind of things. I'm sending you blessings and virtual hugs. I appreciate each and every one of you. You do not even understand. I care so deeply for you. I pray for you guys all the time because literally you are part of my family. All right, so the first thing that I did was when we moved, I realized that we had a whole bunch of stuff, like a lot. And so the first thing that I would suggest that we do is to declutter. Get rid of the things that you don't need. You realize that, you know, there's a whole bunch of things that you have just been carrying for so many years that you have not even been using, that you don't need, especially in a change of season, a change of environment. So get rid of that, declutter. And you don't have to do that like the whole day. Give yourself about 20 minutes and write a list of your deliverables. Give yourself maybe like a month to say every single day for a month, I'm going to be decluttering. And time yourself. If you do not have much time, 20 minutes, set a timer. You will do amazing things in 20 minutes. And don't get distracted, okay? Clean. So declutter and clean. That's the first step. Declutter and clean. Clean the appliances that you have been using, like ovens and stuff like that. Get a little dingy. Windows. Declutter. Clean. Deep clean. That will make a drastic change. Okay? Number 2, use the items that you already have, and you'll find that there are things that you probably haven't used in a while. I realized this like with a lot of stuff. I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't used this in a long time. So use the things that you already have to just have different experiences. Rearrange your space. So you might have had the same layout for a while. Just rearrange. I did a free consultation for my birthday to some lucky ladies, and what we realized with some of them was that it's just a matter of rearranging the layout. It made a difference just like that. So think of rearranging your furniture, be it your bedroom, your sitting room, and just move things around a little bit. It will make you feel so much better. And number 3, assess and organize. Assess what you have and realize what is working and what is not working for you anymore. Assess and write down, what kind of experiences that you want to have. Is this still serving you? When I was doing my assessment, I found that I had black dishes. I'm like, why do I even need black dishes? But my ex-sister's going to be moving and she's going to start her own little life by herself. And so I've decided to keep that on the side and I'll give that to her. But we don't use that. So assess and, give away, donate, and get rid of the stuff that you do not need. Assess and realize, is this still serving me? I also found out when I was assessing some of the books that don't serve me anymore. Some of the books that I was holding on to do not serve where I am right now. And so I got rid of those. Bless somebody with that. And sell some of the things that don't serve you anymore on Facebook Marketplace and that kind of thing. Sell. Don't hold on to things that do not bring you joy. The idea is to have things that make you happy. Have things that bring coziness, that bring calmness into your space. And not too much clutter, because it just makes you feel overwhelmed a lot. Number 4, make a vision board. Create a vision board, a vision for how you want your home to be. It doesn't mean that, if you're thinking and you think, I don't have money right now, I don't think I can do any of the things that Tabitha's talking about. No, create a vision board. Go on Pinterest and create a Pinterest board for each room. And just pull out images of the things that inspire you, that look good for you, that make you feel good. You actually can start going, oh, actually, this is my style. But if you still do not know what your style is, which direction to go, I provide services on defining one's style, creating new ambiances and experiences. I do seasonal refreshes and all that kind of thing. So I can literally go hand in hand with you and help you one-on-one and virtual services as well. So you can check out in the description box below, and then you'll find my contact details, and I can work together with you to just give your home a new fresh look, right? If you want, you can book a consultation below and I will help you. I can do a new layout for you. I can do new drawings for you. Doesn't matter whether you're renting or you're owning, still I can help you. And then the last thing would be to take it slow, and enjoy your home. I would suggest that, play some music. I like some slow jams, and create a little cozy nook where you can read a book or you can journal and prepare your favorite drink. I like lemon syrups. I like citrus syrups. So that's and I like black coffee as well. So those are my 2 favorite beverages. So I sometimes just prepare that and chill for like 15 minutes. And I take those moments to meditate, listening for God, or just think. It's important to take moments to ourselves to create coziness. Light some candles. They don't have to be scented, but if you do love scented candles and you have the budget for that, get scented candles and enjoy your home. Take it slow. So that was it for today's video. The kids are back from school, so that's all the ruckus that you guys are hearing in the background. But I will see you guys next week, and enjoy your week and be blessed. See you next time. Bye.